Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Goan cuisine is a delightful fusion of Portuguese and Indian flavors, a legacy of over 450 years of Portuguese influence, resulting in some of the most unique and mouth-watering dishes you'll ever experience. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we are presenting a true gem of Goan cuisine. Imagine fresh tender pomfrets cooked in a rich creamy coconut milk gravy and infused with the perfect blend of spices. Simply delicious. The distinctive yellow color of this gravy, derived from turmeric and coconut milk, makes it visually appealing and offers a unique, mild and creamy alternative that can be a refreshing change from the spicier red chili-based fish curries. Our recipe for today is delicious Pomfret Caldine. Step 1. Preparing the pomfrets. We have taken 3 medium-sized pomfrets weighing around 500 grams. Place the pomfrets on a cutting surface or board. Scrape off the scales from both the sides of the pomfret if any. Start with cutting off the tail and all the fins as shown.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cut the little part of the head and clean the stomach area. Remove all the waste from inside the stomach. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Wash and clean the fish. Cut the fish into the desired size. Fish is ready to be marinated. You will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Place the fish in a bowl. Add the salt, add the turmeric or haldi powder. Mix everything properly. Cover and keep aside. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1-inch size ball of tamarind in a bowl. Let it soak in 1/4 cup or 60 ml of warm water. Take 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. Take 1 green chili, 1/2-inch piece of ginger, 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut the green chili, ginger and garlic into small pieces so that it can grind easily. Take 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 12 medium-sized black peppercorns, 6 cloves, 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Take 2 medium-sized onions, 1 medium-sized tomato, 2 green chilies. Cut the onions and tomato fine. Cut the green chilies into 2 and then slit them. You will need 1 tablespoon of sugar or less if you prefer, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Extracting the coconut curry milk. In a mixer grinder, add the soaked tamarind with water, coriander seeds, cumin or jeera seeds, cloves, black peppercorns, turmeric or haldi powder. Add the pieces of ginger, garlic and green chili. Add the freshly grated coconut. Add 1.5 cups or 375 ml of water. Grind it nicely to extract thick coconut curry milk. Once it is ground, place a strainer on a bowl. Pour the ground coconut in it and press with a spoon or spatula to extract thick coconut curry milk. Ensure that you select a coconut which has lot of water in it, as this will give you tasty coconut milk, which is the base of this recipe. Do not use dry coconuts. Pour it in another bowl and keep it aside. After extraction, we will get 1.5 cups or 375 ml of thick coconut curry milk. Now take the coconut that you have already ground and put it back into the same mixer grinder to extract thin coconut curry milk. Put 2.5 cups or 625 ml of water. Now grind the coconut again. Place an empty bowl under the strainer. Pour the ground coconut in it. Press firmly to now extract thin coconut curry milk. We will get around 2.5 cups or 625 ml of thin coconut curry milk. Place it aside. Step 4. Preparing the pomfret caldine. On medium heat in an open, thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add finely cut onions. Stir everything nicely. Cook the onions until they turn slightly golden brown. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn slightly golden brown, add the tomato and green chilies. Stir everything properly. Add 2 tablespoons of water to soften the tomatoes faster. Stir everything properly. Cover and cook until the onions and tomatoes have been fully mashed. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Once the onions and tomatoes have been fully mashed, reduce the heat to medium-low and pour in the thin coconut curry milk and bring it to a gentle boil. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir everything properly. Coconut milk is rich in healthy fats and can provide a creamy texture without the need for heavy cream or butter. Cover and cook. Open the pan and stir. Once the curry starts simmering, which will take around 4 to 5 minutes, add the pomfrets. Cover and cook the pomfrets for around 5 to 6 minutes. Swirl the pan instead of stirring with a spoon or spatula to prevent the fish from breaking. Check for salt and add if required. We added around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Swirl the pan properly to mix everything nicely. Reduce the heat to low and finally add the thick coconut curry milk. Let it simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the fish is cooked. Do not let it boil to prevent curdling. Curry should neither be too thick nor too thin. Also, do not overcook the fish. Check for salt and add if required. After 2-3 minutes, turn off the heat. Deliciously smooth and creamy pomfret caldine is ready. Serve the pomfret caldine hot with rice, bread, chapati or roti, and do give us your feedback on this recipe. Stay safe and may God bless you all.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.